You know, people praying for their underwears, you know, being told that they must remove their underwears, they're busy waving. Bro, this is a church. Touching people's private part, praying for because just to find God, guys, you don't have to go to church. I'm not saying anything, and I don't have anything against two people who goes to church. When I do something wrong, it's good, eh? The very same conscience that you have, that's God speaking to you. Is it true that broke people love sex? I wanna know, bro.
When I studied, I used to pray to God, Lord, I'm about to study now.
Help me to understand.
Help me to understand and to
remember when I'm writing my exams.
Yeah, and obviously,
I like that. Hi guys, welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press the notification bell. Every time I drop anything, guys, you'll be notified, guys. We are back with just two buddies with my dog, guys. My name is Sithole, me. Now, as you can see, guys, I'm not alone. I'm with.
Hi guys, welcome to the channel. The name is Busiso Chauke.
Away, my booty. Today Chiefs is playing.
Yeah. 5:05.
Is that excited? 5:05. It's not 3 o'clock.
No, 5:05.
Oh, okay. Oh, so you're okay. So yeah, man. Good luck. Who are you playing against? Stellenbosch.
Sure.
I good luck, guys.
And another thing, sorry. It's a Women's Month, so I would love to wish every woman out there happy Women's Month. Enjoy your month. We appreciate you. And to men, please stop abusing these ladies. We're pleading with you. Stop killing them. Like we can't do anything without these people, guys. So please, all we can do is to protect them. Please, guys.
Stop abusing women, guys. Yeah. So my Buddha, I got a story, ne? I wanna break down this story, and then if you'll have questions that you have to ask, you'll be asking in between.
Okay.
But there's a gentleman who married his daughter, ne? But here's the story. So the gentleman have a wife, ne? With children. Let's say 2 children. So he is staying with this wife of his, who she came in with kids.
Okay.
So he don't have.
Okay.
So he doesn't have kids with this lady. Ne?
Okay.
So this guy owns like a tavern, he's good. He's making money. He's making a living actually. So later, I'm going to find out he was sick. He became sick. Then later, on his 6 stages and whatnot, he's going to the hospital in and out here and there. Only to find out he have a daughter, like a long lost daughter of him that he got while he was still in
primary
high school. Yeah, it's either if he was schooling or so, but now she's like a grown woman. Okay, sharp. He comes and introduces the baby to the chat, actually, not like actual baby, but like the chat, yo, baby, I have this and this and this. Then the wife said, nah, that's not happening. You don't have, why is this person coming out now? You know, where was she before and whatnot, right? Sharp. So he takes his daughter, go to DNA test and whatnot. DNA result comes back 99.9%. The child is yours, mister. Moving forward now, the gentleman is sick now. He have a tavern, he have a beautiful home. Now, before he passed away, what he does, he takes the child to Home Affairs, marries his child, not in a weird way, but in order for him to transfer everything, right? He goes to Home Affairs, marries the child, and then makes his daughter to own 100% of everything. 100% beneficiary to his daughter as a wife. The guy passes. And the guy passes, the child comes and says, yo, was cooking with the lawyers. Their stepmom or... Yeah. She started fighting with this lady and everything. Then I think housing and whatnot. They says, yo, you have until April or until to leave the house. So what's your chat on that story?
Okay, from my understanding, so you say guy was married to this lady and the lady had 2 kids.
No, they didn't say anything about him marrying, but they said wife. So we don't even know if he was married or not. So, but he have this lady who have kids. He took his wife with kids. It is not his. Even kids knows. They know their father.
So do they stay in one house?
Yes.
Okay, I think from my understanding, marrying your daughter is wrong.
Okay.
But I believe the guy had a good reason. So I think the reason is what? Number one, you're living with your wife and 2 kids who are not yours.
Yeah.
So I think the guy was not treated well.
Yeah.
I think
I never seen it in that way,
yeah,
bro.
Maybe that's the case.
Yeah.
The guy, like, he was never treated well. I mean, he was sick.
Yeah.
Chances are maybe the kids and the wife are the reason for his sickness.
Poison him or something.
Yeah, something
allegedly.
Like I think because you did say that he was okay.
Financially.
Yeah. So obviously,
they even have like a tavern, guys. Yeah.
You see, so I think the 3, or maybe not the kids, but the wife.
Yeah.
Maybe she knew killing this guy would be beneficial for her.
Yeah.
So I think the guy was just too lucky to find his daughter just days or months before he died.
We passed. Yeah.
So I think him marrying his daughter, yes, it's wrong in our eyes.
Yeah.
But for this reason that I'm gonna say now, I think it was a good thing, because obviously now everything that the guy owned is gonna
belongs to
it belongs to
the daughter.
Now. And you see that let's say the father did not meet the daughter in time, then it means everything was gonna be shared between the kids and the wife. So just imagine.
I hear you.
I think the guy was very, very clever to do that. He was very clever.
Damn, when I saw that story, I was like, this is crazy. Because like the first part, when you look at the first part, it says a man marries his daughter. It takes you like what is going on here? Yeah.
So I think it wasn't gonna be, I don't know, understandable to us if the guy had many more years after the marriage. So, but my question to you now is, how long did the guy live? No, just after marrying the daughter. How much time did he have?
No, he didn't live long. I think now I'm just speculating, guys. Let's say like 2 months or 3 months, then he was late.
So during that time, maybe did they have any sex or something like that?
No, like he was sick. The guy was sick, meaning nothing was getting up or something there. Like he was sick.
I think that move from the guy was
it was very smart, ne?
Very smart.
Yeah, you can say someone is dumb until they show you the other side of them. Hey,
because now
this is crazy.
Had he left the whatever tavern and his money with the 3, maybe by now it was gonna be gone and finished in a way. But now the daughter, I mean, she'll make sure that she takes care of
his legacy.
Yes. You see.
But so like now I feel sorry for her stepmom, man, for being evicted out.
Yes, you're gonna feel bad. Yes, it makes sense. Because you are human.
No. Besides just being human, because she was there for him as well. She took care of him as well.
Being there means nothing.
Like there's not even a little bit of like compensated somewhere.
No.
You know.
The guy, I don't think the guy would do that if the lady was good on him. I think the lady was not too good. That's why. Yes, you're gonna feel bad for the wife being evicted.
Yeah.
But I think maybe she had an agenda herself.
Or she having a hand on how the guy end up in hospital or something. Never know.
So the move from the guy. Obviously, we won't see this the same way. But for me, I think it was a good move for him.
But like me, okay, my chat on this one, or my view on this, I feel like the guy did that lady wrong. At least they should have left something like 10% in Yana, because she have kids as well. Now to go home, like in Soweto, on those, they're fighting for room RDPs. Now she have to go back there, create a little bit of a shack on the side. Now like her kids now are used to this lifestyle, because they even had like a tavern and whatnot. Like I feel sorry for her, bro. Yeah. But like it is a good thing, because she's the one who rejected his daughter. She said no to this one. Like, you can't be. Where were this person? Now they just want to claim whatever. So now she was chasing money so much, or this lifestyle that she's living so much, forgetting that the guy can still do you wrong, because he's the one who was in the forefront. Of course, yes, you boosted him here and there to get where the guy was. But it's not yours at the end of the day. We're just helping out, So I feel sorry for that mommy, because she had kids. She had kids who have adapted to live like a certain lifestyle and whatnot. So now only to find out, like, now you're gonna live with a quarter now. No more cheesy, no more whatever. So, so it's crazy like that, man. Yeah.
So my question now to you, it's Sunday today.
Yeah.
People went to church. Some did not. Like myself, I did not go to church.
Because there's a game.
No, not because of that. No, I did go to church last week.
Yeah.
So this week I just prayed at home.
Yeah.
So the question 8 has to do with church.
Okay.
Like church, do you think we still have like real pastors, or do you see church as a holy place, or is it a business where pastors make money?
Bro, I'm gonna answer you without fear of contradiction whatsoever. Churches nowadays, guys, they're just money laundering schemes. We have seen this with your Malawian pastor, Bushiris and whatnot, and it's still happening till today. Because just to find God, guys, you don't have to go to church. I'm not saying anything, and I don't have anything against two people who goes to church, but I'm saying to find God, it's in you. If you want to do something wrong, it's good, the very same conscience that you have, that's God speaking to you, saying, no. Whatever that you want to do is wrong. It's either maybe you guys are waking, you are like, maybe you just want to pimper someone there, that like your Sithole maybe he's not doing whatever. Oh yeah, it's boo. Whenever if there's like Sithole around, it doesn't work or anything. That little bit of a conscience that tells you like, but this is wrong. If it was meant for Sithole, for him to be caught-handed, it will happen. Even if it can take years, but it will happen. There's nothing that happens is good. So right now, bro, I've seen a lot of people eating your grass thingy, your petrols. Yes. People praying for their underwears. Being told that they must remove their underwears. They're busy waving. Bro, this is crazy, bro. Bro, just imagine.
At church.
Touching people's private part, praying for people, bro. No. There's a lot of sick. Okay, my church is this, ne? There's a lot of sick people who are on like in like a minister sites, who are hiding behind. Like there's a lot of perverse people out there.
I don't think there's a normal person who would allow such like to eat your grass, your even take off your underwear.
Yeah, bro.
No, there's I think these pastors, I think they do brainwash people, because
bro, but that guys, the most expensive things that you can convince people with is to tell people you are going to heaven like that. I'm the bridge to take you to heaven. That's why people believe everything, bro.
No.
Like
for you to convince me such, I don't know what is it that you have to do, but I'm not a believer of anything.
The problem is once you enter that church, whatever that's going to be said on that podium or whatever, it is the way it is.
You know, I won't mention this church. I once went. I was invited by someone I know, and they said, "Please come to our church."
You're like, okay.
It was during the week, past 5. So I did go there, and tell you what, being there, I
didn't feel right. It didn't feel right. I see.
Like there are certain churches where, when you are in there, when the pastor reads any scripture and try to go
you can relate
deeper, like you can relate, you can feel that this pastor like is talking to
you. I see.
But on that church, for me, it was like strange, man. Like it was very strange.
And a lot of these pastors use moti. There's like a documentary that was even done by I forgot, but like there was like a documentary where people were busy. I mean, they were busy exposing pastors. Like, he's a sangoma. This guy says, there's a lot of pastors that come to me for power, just for power, bro. Like, so people can believe when it says fire, people are falling. So it's not like you're just falling because of like the Holy Spirit is in you. No, because of these demons around, they're busy pushing you to fall.
I don't know if it's being unlucky, but I've never been unlucky in church to, like, after being prayed for. Like, I've never felt that. Like, I don't know if
but mostly it's women. Men don't really fall. If you can check, in most cases it's only ladies who are busy jumping on these things. I don't know what's wrong. I don't know if they believe too much or I don't know, but like mostly it's ladies who are always falling.
But isn't that acting? Like, I just feel like
some of these people are doing too much.
Cause
you're like, nah, this is too much now.
But you can never know. But I just feel like, no, this is just acting.
Some of these guys are just putting an act on it.
Because growing up, I used to go to church, and the reason I went to church was because I was obviously under the guidance of my mom. Of parents, of course. So my mom was like, she used to go to church. She still does. So obviously,
like Sunday, we don't miss. You have to go to church.
Yes. So obviously, her kids. It was me and my sister. Like, I don't know if we were forced in a way, but we had to go to church just because she goes to church.
When it's Sundays,
we have to. We don't have any choice. But growing up, I think she came to realize as well that no, I can't force my kids to go to church. So Sunday I used to go to, when you play football, you have your games on a Sunday, every week on a Sunday. So I think she came to what's the word? She came to see maybe that my son loves football.
So invested when it comes to soccer.
But now I do go to church, like from Freedom Park to Midlands. I do get one weekend. Just to go to church and whatnot. So I think going to church once in a while, I think for me
it's much better. It mustn't be like that forced matter where like, it's Buddha, you didn't even give us your 10% of a salary type vibes. I see.
And you know one thing I've realized. I'm not saying anything about people who go to church. But stand at the gate
where
after church. Get 5 people. Ask them one question. Give me one scripture.
What did you learn? What was the preacher?
The pastor.
Saying.
You won't get the answer. Like at church, you find people like sleeping. But once they go out.
Now it's like church singing, holding the Bible, pretending as if like they were busy concentrating and whatnot.
I think when you go to church, to avoid sleeping and to understand
focus.
what the pastor is saying.
Yeah.
Like you must pray.
Before,
Lord, yeah, pray. No, there was this example that was made. Yes, I just can't remember how it was said.
But I do understand what you're saying.
Yeah, Mara church.
But like, firstly, just pray.
Pray to God. In as much as I used to read, study. When I studied, I used to pray to God. Lord, I'm about to study now.
Help me to understand.
Help me to understand and to remember.
And remember when I'm writing my exams.
And obviously, it worked for me.
I like that. It
worked for me. Like
I like
so.
that.
Even at church, you just have to pray, Lord.
Help me to understand.
Please take away any distraction. Give me understanding. Open my ears, my heart,
so I can hear your message.
And then I tell you that you're gonna. And that's if you believe in God. If you don't, you won't hear anything.
I like that. There's a lady, There's a lady who went viral not so long ago, right?
Okay.
So she posted her pictures while she was still slender. She was still nice. I think it's on like a dating site, like your what is the name of that one where you meet yourself and
I think if you were asking this
question, like
I would give you the name.
Some the dating site. So she uploaded her pictures while she was still hot, ne? Or like when she was still in varsities and whatnot, right?
So how many years ago? 3, 4?
No, let's say 7 years back, right? So now she's fat, bro. Like you can tell it's her, but right now it's no longer her. Did you get what I'm saying? So now she went viral saying, yeah, this guy he said he was catfished and whatnot, and this is still me, and it's me even now. So now he's saying, so what's a chat on people who does like the online dating thingy? I know you're not into these things, but just your 2 cents.
Obviously, number one, it's not a crime to use your old pictures. it's not a crime.
Oh my god!
I mean, we all have
those pictures.
You can take 5 pictures. Obviously, you're gonna delete 4 of them.
And select one.
Because you look good. So I think the girl for me, like she was maybe ashamed of her body. Like maybe she knew that no one.
Or maybe she should have uploaded the previous one with the old one and says, I don't know, but like
before and after anyway.
Yeah, but like on your app, right? I know you are not someone who upload pictures here and there, but like at least they have something current. Ne?
No,
don't use as Boo when he was still in college. What about now?
I think maybe I feel the girl did put those recent pictures.
No, there's not.
No, maybe she deleted after seeing that no one is showing interest. You see, and then later on.
But like that's why the guy said it's a catfish.
Yeah, it was a catfish.
Yeah, because now I wanna see this slender. Then somebody comes here with some big belly fat and then says, "Yeah, it's me. Hi, I'm looking for Boo. He said we're gonna meet by the car wash, or we're gonna meet by the mall or something."
Why do people use dating app? You don't use it, but maybe you can give me an answer.
No, I think it's a matter of like, I don't know, or else how can I put this?
So no one's showing interest in you.
Yes. Okay. Let's say you wake up in the morning, you go to work. You go to Maponya Mall, you go to Southgate Mall and whatnot, and then come back. So these people now, they are used to you. Nobody says hey, or nobody says, they don't see you like that. So now you need somebody who's gonna be attractive to you. You know, we women, they like to be complimented, like, oh, you look beautiful today. So just imagine, whatever she wears, whatever she buys, nobody says anything. They just see the old. I don't know.
So do you think women are like, they find it, I don't know, disappointing in a way? Like
if a lady, ladies, please comment if I'm talking nonsense, guys. If ladies go to your range and buy your stilettos or buys whatever, ne? And then go to Mr. Price and buys something, ne? If she's not complimented on whatever she have worn, she feel like it's a waste of a dress.
So they feel
offended, like, yo, no. You really don't see me?
But then again, women,
so boys don't care.
They're very strange to understand.
Yeah.
Because if you don't compliment, obviously, they're gonna get upset for the day that no, not even a single guy said hey.
Exactly.
But then again, when you like take up your time as a guy and try to talk to them, like they don't even respond to you back. Yeah,
but they like that. So women are very strange. So you might say
love that.
Yeah. Not, as much as like, let's say somebody passes and go and buy like chips and whatnot, just because somebody says, hey, can I walk you to the store, or hey, can I get you a number? Like,
so they enjoy that.
That's enough for them and feel like she's still valued in the society or around. So even if they don't want to give you or they don't want to entertain you, just for you saying hello and everything, was like, oh, okay. So they see me. I'm not like invincible or something. So women like that thing. Please comment in the comment section if I'm talking crap, guys. But like they like that thing that like, yo, at least you see me. If I'm wearing like a new shoes or whatever, says, oh, nice shoes. Oh, I didn't know you can even wear heels. So they feel like some type of way, like, oh, okay.
It makes sense.
So it's like they see me.
Okay, I think we're gonna hear from the comment section. So another one.
Talk to me.
We've got men and women.
Okay.
So for you, do you think we all have soulmates? Like
one soulmate, or just soulmates?
Yeah, it doesn't matter whether one or two, but obviously when it's a soulmate, it has to be one.
Yeah, but like my chat, when it comes to soulmate, I think a person doesn't have one soulmate. Because soulmate, I believe it's someone who clicks the qualities of like a boyfriend or girlfriend that you want. Someone who feels, because if ever like we had like one soulmate and everything, just think about this one, eh? When somebody's broke your heart, you are not gonna find someone again. Because remember, when you guys meet, it's a feeling, it's everything. It's like this attraction to this human being. You understand? Okay, so some people sees like your body and whatnot, but like some people are attracted by your actions, how you carry yourself, how like they love you before they love your face or your color or whatever. So I don't think people have one soulmate, because people, when they go through a divorce, it's either divorce, you are married, you are not gonna find anyone again, because your soulmate is gone or she's gone. But they still love and have another kid. So I don't think a person does have like a one soulmate. What's your take on this one? It's very tricky, eh?
Yeah, it's tricky.
But just think about it, bro.
I think
because sometimes it's boo. When you meet a girl, you feel like, yo, there's no one who can understand me better than her. There's no one can love me better than her.
Okay, then, let's start here.
Yeah.
What is it that attracts you to a female?
Behavior. How you carry yourself. Then here comes,
but behavior. Yes, sorry. Behavior.
Sense of humor.
How do you know that she behaves well?
Yeah,
she's got sense of humor, because it's someone, if it started as a crush.
But like me, I never. Okay. This is very tricky. I never have seen someone for the first time and fall in love with that person. I build love when time goes and whatnot. I'm not like someone who says they say it's a love on the first sight or something. You see someone on at the mall and then you fall in love with, you are like, you are my person and whatnot. Like, that's not me.
You know how I met my girlfriend?
How did you?
Okay. We went to the same church.
Okay.
Like, we used to sit next to each other.
See?
She was dating whoever.
Yeah.
I was dating whoever.
See?
Like, the pastor would say, tell your neighbor and...
Yes, yeah, neighbor. And then, they say you must love yourself until what? No, I see. I see.
Then after church, go our separate ways.
Yes. But now you are building something to each other.
Yeah. So what I'm saying now is, your soulmate can be 2 centimeters away from you. Like,
that is very true. I agree. On that one, I agree with you fully. As I'm saying that, like me, I'm not the kind of person who, okay, you see, she knows your history, you know her history and whatnot, but you guys decided to make this covenant. It was like, you know what, I've been looking at the wrong places. Do you understand? And you end up enjoying going to church just because you know you're gonna sit next to this person. So that's love right there. That's love right there. It's like maybe you had like a crush at school and whatnot, ne? You like, you don't want to miss school, even if you feel like, you know what, today I don't want to go to school, but like, there's so and so that I'm gonna go and see. Let me go and see. Like you are fulfilled. That's love right there. Yeah.
I'm a crush. They must just remain a crush.
Yeah. You mustn't date a crush.
Yeah, you must.
Oh my gosh! Why you say so?
Like, obviously, whatever attracts you to that someone, it's seeing them from a distance. Whatever they do, like, you enjoy it.
Yeah.
But if they were to do it with you, like, I don't know, man, it becomes boring. So I think a crush must just stay
just
as a
remember
crush.
as a crush.
Yeah.
I got you. I got another question for you, bro.
Okay.
Maybe this one is the last one for this chat.
Okay.
Is it true that broke people love sex? I wanna know, bro. I wanna know about this one. Let's cook this one, bro.
Okay, number one, I'm broke.
You're broke,
I'm broke.
Yeah, you're broken.
No, I'm talking about me now.
Oh! Nah, you can't be broke while you're working, bro.
Yes, I am working.
Okay, excluding yourself from this one.
Okay, what's being broke? Let's just start there.
Being broke is when someone can't afford something simple, like I can't buy like bread.
Oh,
I can't buy maize meal.
So I'm not broke.
Yes, I'm saying you are not broke, bro.
Mara, your question is a bit tricky.
Yeah.
You just said I'm not broke.
Yeah.
How do I answer that? Because if I was broke, I would know how to answer it. You get my...
Okay, you're broke. It's fine, you're broke.
I'm broke now.
Yeah, you're broke because I want to know. I want to hear you. I don't want to hear your side on this chat.
No, let's just talk about this. Just...
Yeah, let's just create some scenarios around it.
Obviously, on our social media platforms, we do get your Facebook.
Yeah.
People do say that unemployed people or broke people, as you put it,
love sex.
They love sex. So I think, I mean,
you agree?
Yeah, I do agree. Because no offense, guys, but there's nothing they can do like for a day, while others are at work. They're home, like they've got all the time. So when you are with your girlfriend having sex, obviously you're gonna make sure that you have like
I can't hold it. So now you make sure
like you gotta have
you're pushing even the other hours where you are supposed to be waking or something.
So you're gonna have a longer sex just because there's nothing more you can do after sex.
Damn, that's crazy.
I think that's I'm not even too sure of what I'm
saying.
I think they do, but everyone loves sex, guys.
Yeah, but like he's right when he says you are taking the time that you're supposed to be doing something. You are investing in these things because you wanna keep whoever that you have, because you have nothing that you have to offer. You know, so it means your performance must keep your relationship.
Yeah, I know.
It must save your relationship. In fact, So
do you think we can survive a relationship without sex?
We can, but I think it's gonna get to a place where it's gonna be boring. Like, yo, I can do whatever I'm doing. What are you offering? Of course we can.
No, sex can be the only thing that.
Yeah, that's true. I agree with you. I agree with you, bro. I don't wanna lie. I agree with you. It can't be the main source of holding the relationship together. But in other hands, it is the main source of holding everything. We have to, because remember, we're exchanging DNAs, meaning we are creating more bond. So your saliva have like your DNA. You doing your thinking inside, you guys are busy exchanging. You're busy exchanging. So it creates more bond. When you say you miss someone, because she have a part of you and we have part of her in you. So when you say I miss her, it's a thing like, yo, I miss her. She have the other part of me.
Is it her that you miss, or?
No, I'm saying like, if when you say you miss her, she's in you. You guys have exchanged saliva. Saliva have DNA.
Yes, I do get what you're saying. But my question is it her that you miss?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
So I'm saying what I'm trying to say is you can't miss someone so bad if you don't have part of that person.
But then again, yeah, missing someone, yeah. But hey, being with that person like every hour, like, do you think, which one do you prefer, like staying with your partner or her visiting?
No, but like, okay, staying with your partner, ne? It's a thing. But she has to be waking, or you have to be waking. So there must be like a break in between, a day. So staying together, yes, but someone have to go and do something. It's either it's her who is waking, or you're waking from home, but like there must be a break in between. Otherwise, you end up boring each other. You end up boring each other. So there must be a gap in between, so you can say, I miss her.
Yeah.
So you need that I miss her. Not for her going to the loo and says, I miss my baby. No. You need that 3, 4, 6 hours or 8 hours. Then you're gonna say, so somebody can come back with some stories.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, at work it was this and this. Oh, it was boring because of this and this. Oh, I ordered this, and then they maybe I ordered Coke. Then they've sent me some iron brew or something. So you have to miss each other.
Yeah, it makes sense.
But for you and your ladies thing like this, that's crazy. That's crazy. Yeah, that's not healthy. That's not healthy, bro. I don't wanna like it. So, do you wanna close up?
Yeah. Thank you so much, guys.
Oh, before we go, guys, if you wanna support us, guys, if you think we are dropping knowledge, we're busy educating each other and everything, so below, guys, there's like thank you button there. So please click on that thank you button. We have like 14 rand, 32 rand, and 70 rand. So if you wanna gift us, so in future when we are done with monetization, so we can get something to keep us going, so we can buy something that it drinks, and so we can have fun, we can grow this channel, guys. As we said even before, guys, we said we need ladies for this August. We're still missing, guys. If ever you wanna come, you'll live around Soweto, please send us a text on the number that are busy passing down below. Yeah, man. So subscribe, like, comment, press notification. But please, guys, we need that. Please press that thank you button, guys. Choose there is 14 rands, 35 rand, and 70 rand, guys, so we can keep our lights on, guys.
Yeah. So
even if this guy goes to church, so we can have transport money for him to come back and shoot.
Perfect. Yeah.
So yeah, man. Thank you for watching, guys. This was just 2 buddies.
We are back next week.
Next week we're on, guys. And then next week you're on. Chiefs is not playing, right?
No, Chiefs is playing on Wednesday.
Oh, okay, cool. So late, around 8.
7:30 on Wednesday.
Oh, okay, guys. So see you guys there.